Thank you, Anita, for providing the reference photo of military working dog Lio J281. Anita had this to say about MWD Lio. I adopted MWD Lio from Fort Campbell, Kentucky. He had served 8 years in the Army with multiple deployments. Trained in explosive detection and patrol, he was aging with eyesight and hearing problems. A 10-year-old male Dutch Shepherd we were blessed to have in our lives for 4 years. Immediately after adopting Lio, I found myself going through a very ugly, dangerous, and corrupt divorce. Lio was a godsend for my children and I. No hand reached out to help us. It was a paw with a huge, courageous heart, love, loyalty, and friendship. Anita had this to say about Mission Canine Rescue. I adopted my first dogs prior to Mission Canine Rescue. A friend, Debbie, contacted me and said, I have a dog that needs you. That dog was CWD Bucky. He was our first, followed by MWD Kiral, MWD Yorick, and the dog that saved me, MWD Lio J281. Thank you, Anita, for adopting CWD Bucky, MWD Kiral, MWD Yorick, and MWD Lio, and thank them all for their service.